What is your current role in the pharmaceutical industry?
My name is John Snowden, and I work for a company called Amgen Canada. We manufacture and make biopharmaceutical products in Canada, and my role is the Executive Director of the Oncology Business Unit at Amgen, where we research, manufacture, and sell oncology products to help cancer patients in Canada.
In grade 11 chemistry class, we have been learning about the defective drugs and the Apotex drug scandal. Are you aware of this issue?
Yes, I'm aware of the Apotex scandal issue with manufacturing of their products.
In your opinion, how do you think this affects the pharmaceutical industry as a whole?
Unfortunately, when negative press results with any pharmaceutical company, it does taint the whole industry with a negative perception. But I think it's important that Canadians recognize that millions of medications are delivered safe and effectively to patients every day in Canada, and save lives and improve quality of lives in thousands and thousands of patients every year.
How does an issue like this get properly addressed, and how can we ensure health and safety of our citizens?
I think there are three ways that Canadians can ensure delivery of better pharmaceuticals to Canada. The first is to make sure that Health Canada is held to higher standards than what they currently are, and that there's legislation created and drug safety and manufacturing requirements that are more adhered to. Secondly, I think Health Canada can work more closely with the Federal Drug Administration in the United States, who have significantly more resources to monitor and evaluate drug safety in pharmaceutical manufacturing, in not only within Canada and the US, but also in manufacturing facilities around the world. And thirdly, I think that Canadians need to require that Health Canada be much more transparent with drug manufacturing violations as to which products are affected, and have the knowledge and information to make informed decisions about which pharmaceutical products that they're taking. So I think those three variables alone would help ensure greater safety and more reliable manufacturing in Canada, and ensure that Canadians are aware of the pharmaceuticals and the risks and the benefits that are associated with the products that they're taking. I'd like to expand on the earlier issue that I talked about around the fact that many pharmaceutical companies, in fact the vast majority of pharmaceutical companies, are adhering to manufacturing standards and safety standards, and are providing safe and effective medications to Canadians on a daily, weekly, monthly, annual basis. It's unfortunate that a few companies such as Apotex, which tend to be more generic based companies versus brand name companies, taint the industry with these types of issues. And hopefully people can recognize that the risk of these small violations are far outweighed by the benefits of the drugs that we do provide on a safe and effective basis to Canadians to improve quality of life and ultimately save lives.